Alright everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you quickly how to create a story account in Azure. Um, a step-by-step guide on how to create a story account in Azure. So imagine a world where every single data you own is not only securely stored, but also accessible from anywhere in the world. Picture the ease of managing a massive amount of data with just a few clicks. That is the power of Azure Story Accounts. So, Azure Story Accounts is a service that allows you to store data like files, images, and backups in the cloud. It provides a secure, scalable space where you can easily manage and access your data from anywhere in the world. And you have multiple um, services within Azure Story account, including blob, containers, file share, queues, and tables. So without wasting any time, let us create our first story account in Azure. So I'm already logging in on the Azure portal here. So you can log in with your credentials, and now let us get started. You have story account here. You can click on it, but if you don't have, don't worry. Search on the search bar, click on the search bar and type storage accounts. Sorry, storage accounts, and select the first one. Here, click on create, and now we need some informations here about our storage account, starting with an active Azure subscription. I have one, and a resource group. If you have a resource group, you can click here and select. If you don't have, just click on create new and give a name to your resource group. Let us say data storage and click OK. So a resource group is just a container that holds your resources in Azure. And here we need a storage account's name. So it says that the name must be unique across all existing Azure storage account names in Azure. And it must be 3 to 24 characters long and can contain only lowercase letters and numbers. Make sure that you respect what they said. Here we're gonna say demo data store, demo data store 567, for example. Demo data store 567. That is our story account. And here your region. Very important. Choose the region that is right for you and customers. Not all account configuration are available in our region. So before choosing your story account, you already know what you want to do with your story account. Make sure that the region you're choosing is right for that configuration before choosing it. And here, what is the primary service of your story account? If you click here, you can read that depending on the option you choose, it may lead to service specific guidance throughout the create experience to make the create process easier. So let us say here our primary service for our story account gonna be using this as a blob storage or a data lake storage into. So for the workload, primary workload here, we can see we have different type of workload. It can be for big data analytic, a backup, an archive, cloud native, and so on. So we are not gonna choose anything for the sake of this demo. And now here, standard, we have performance standard is good, and redundancy here, change from geo redundant to locally redundant. Click on next. And here, nothing to be changed. Click on next. Network tab here, public access from our network for the sake of this demo. And now you can click on review plus create. So validating all the informations that you provide. If everything is correct, you can see that you will be able to click on create. Now click on create to create your first story account in Azure. So you can see the deployment is in progress. It will create your first story account in Azure. That is how you can quickly create a story account in Azure. You can see here resource, the story account name, and the status. It says accepted. So just wait a little bit. Now, fine, your story account has been created. Click on Go to Resource here to see all the informations that you provide during your story account creation. We are on the Overview tab here. It's like my internet connection. So here on the Access Control panel, that is how you can configure how people within your organization can access to your story account, what they can do, what they can modify, how they can interact with your story account. If you tap on story browser, you can see different type of services that I was talking about: blob containers, file shares, queues, and tables. And here, if you click here on the security tab, that is where you can configure uh, information about networking, also access keys, to rotate your access keys, and share access signature. You see here, share access signature is a URL that grants restricted access right to Azure Story account in a limited time. So, and also encryption, that where you can configure encryption. It can be Microsoft managed key or your custom key and wherever. And here on the data management, you have here that where you can configure redundancy type, data protection, object replication, and blob inventory or static website. So Azure Story account also used to configure to create a static website, and also you can configure lifecycle management. And on the settings, that is where you can configure, for example, anonymous access to your blob container. You can see that here, allow blob anonymous access is disabled by default. You can enable it and do a lot of things. That's it. That is just what I want to show you. That is how you can quickly create a story accounts in Azure and start managing and leveraging the power of Azure story accounts. So thank you so much for watching. Try to practice this on your own. Keep it up, never give up. Stay tuned, keep learning all the time. It's very important for your professional growth. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you on the next video.